Thank you, Johan. My name is Emil and I am one of the AI developers at Apendo. I'm going to show you a little bit of what Ada can do for our customers. Ada is a combination of IBM Watson services among other services that we use to give our customers not just a chatbot but a digital assistant. Ada is run on a private cloud environment in Stockholm, hosted on a IBM Cloud Pak for Data platform. And by that, we are going to head over to Apendo Kommun, which is a demo site that we have created to show municipalities how Ada might look on their website. Here we have added Ada in the form of a pop-up window. This is by now a quite traditional way to use a chatbot. We type our questions and the service will reply with the answer. When we create this type of service, we try to answer both the most common questions, the questions we expect, and also the questions we might not expect. And I will show you how we can do this. We can start with a quite simple question. When is the customer service open? And we get a reply from the service which says that the customer service is open by 8 in the morning till 5 in the evening. This is a quite simple task. We get an easy question, an easy answer. Here is another question that will show you the flexibility with the Watson Assistant service. We can answer not only by text, but we can use images, links, buttons, or other content. In this example, we are asking for directions to a police station, and in the answer, we get a map and the address in text. This is another way of answering questions. In this case, the user asks how much is a building permit, and the information that we would like to give to the customer is quite extensive, so we can provide a link to a web page that will explain it further. One thing that we think is really important with digital assistants is the possibility to have fun with the service, not just asking questions that are relevant to the organization we are asking questions to, but also the possibility of small talk. In this example, the user says, "Who are you?" and Ada answers, "I'm Ada and I am the municipality's digital customer service agent." And here is another example of a small talk question. What can a digital assistant do? And you get an answer from the service about the capabilities of the agent. So far, what I've shown you is the type of questions that you might expect to come into the service. And for those questions, we have prepared an answer. But what happens if we get a question we haven't prepared for? For example, this one. When did Sweden adopt the Convention of the Rights of the Child? This is not a question that we might expect to come to a service, so we have to take care of it in another way. For this, we are using Watson Discovery. Watson Discovery is an AI service where you fill the service with documents and you use natural language processing to find the best document to match your question. In our Discovery instance, we are filled with documents about social care in Apendo Kommun. So we're going to ask this question to the system. And as you can see, we don't get straight answers from the service. We get part of documents that are in the knowledge bank in Watson Discovery. And if we expand this, we can see that some parts are in bold type. And this is Watson Discovery's way of telling us that why it has selected this document. So Watson Discovery will always try to find the best document that matches the question. And if we click the link, we get the original document, and we don't get the first line on the first page, we get page number 8 of 28, and here is the answer to the question. One thing that we really like with Watson Assistant is the possibility to interact with external services. As long as there's an API in the other end, we can interact with most services and we can write or read data from them. In this example, we have asked what is the weather like in Sundsvall today. In this case, we request weather data from a weather service, and with a reply, we can show the user how the weather is today. These are a few of the possibilities that we have with Ada. And by that, I would like to hand over to Johan Rodin again. Thank you for listening.